Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Instagram Reels not showing. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So as you can see, here's right now I'm in my Instagram account and here is not showing the Reels option. Now let's see how you can get Reels option on your Instagram. First of all, open Play Store and search here Instagram, and from here you have to update your Instagram. If you don't use the updated version of Instagram, that you have to update your Instagram. After updating your Instagram application, sign out from your account and re-login into your Instagram account. And if still not you are getting the Reels option, then first of all you need to take a screenshot of your home screen. So I'm going to make a screenshot, and then click on your profile icon, click on this three line icon, settings, help, and now click on report a problem. Click on report a problem, and now click on gallery, and from here select the screenshot of Instagram home screen. And after selecting that, here you have to explain what happened or what's not working. So we are reporting about Reels option. I think you will write better than me. Okay, after that click on submit. Okay, now click on not now. After reporting to Instagram, they will obviously fix your problem and you will get Reels option on your Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.